Welcome to the Intro to General Chemistry Lab. I'm Dr. Broadbent and I will be your instructor this term. This video is just to get you a little bit acclimated. You're going to start here with course overview, and this is just a little bit about what the course is about, why it matters, how you'll demonstrate competency, and a little bit of how to navigate. Second tab is all about me. I'm Dr. Broadbent. These are my office hours. That means I'm in my office, and if you call or text or email, I can't text, you'll be able to get in contact with me. You can also make an appointment at calendly.com. This is something new I'm trying, and I'm hoping that that will be a good way for you to contact me. I do want you to contact me if you have any questions. If you are in an in-person class, you'd be able to ask your questions more organically. In an online class, you have to reach out. I don't know if you're having trouble if you don't let me know. This is course description, which is really just our calendar. You may want to print this out. These are our labs that we're doing each week. And this will be our syllabus. You'll want to look through the syllabus. It has all the important information that you'll need to know about grading, about how to contact me, about course expectations, what to do if it snows, all sorts of things. This is a Blackboard site. It helps you use Blackboard if you have any difficulty submitting assignments. If you have any trouble submitting assignments, sorry about that. Accommodations. If you get accommodations in high school, you can get accommodations in college as well. These are our academic resources. If you have trouble on Blackboard, you can get technical help with this link. You can sign on at MyPath. Sorry about my emails going crazy. You can go to KCTCS to access your transcript, make payments, financial aid. The library, an important source, and then our textbook support sites are here. All right, let's go on. Technology troubleshooting and resources, and then netiquette. Netiquette is just how we treat each other online, which is with sensitivity and kindness. All right. Then you'll need to take the syllabus quiz. After you take the syllabus quiz, the rest of the class will open. Here's your syllabus quiz. You'll click this bar over here. You can take it as many times as you want, and the quiz will pop up. Okay? I will see you